Barrett Steel are the UK's largest independent steel stockholder. We've got a total of 30 sites across the country, 29 of those sites which we have for overhead cranes. They're a crucial part to our business for offloading and loading, feeding our process machines. So material comes in and it's offloaded off from backs of lorries into storage pens and storage racks. Then they're taken out of the racks and they're placed into machines, whether that be a saw, a drill, a laser. So yeah, key part of the business. We chose Konecranes as a business because the cranes that we have quite a few. We have 100 Konecranes CXT types in our business, and they suit what we do for the business. They're robust, reliable, ease of operation, ease of maintenance. I would recommend Konecranes to other businesses. Yes, we like the product suits our business, and that's the driving force behind the purchase of Konecranes.